We are back with another gorgeous monthly subscription box. This month, the box is called You're My Fave. Honestly, I think this might be my favorite. I always say that, I know, but I just really love this one. The pinks and the mints and all the sparkly goodness and gray, it's just fabulous. So let's talk about exactly what's included in this month's box. Our Happy Mail boxes always start off with a beautiful Encore color palette. This month we have some of our new colors included. So that's a fun little twist. You'll be one of the first to try some of these new colors. So we have Malibu Coral, we have Flamingo, we have Pink Tulip, we have Sea Glass, and Pistachio. So pinks and mints, really beautiful. Next up, we have a Cereal Pearl. This is a pearlescent smooth cardstock. This is Cereal Pearl Rose Gold. Then we have Encore Wow. This is our fine glitter cardstock. It's no shed and it cuts beautifully. This is Dusty Rose. We have our Sequin Glitter cardstock in pink lipstick. This is that cardstock with the cool hexagon shaped glitter flecks. Then we have 2 sheets of Glitter Luxe. We have Neon Lagoon, Bubblegum Fusion, and this has got multiple shades of pink in it. Again, those are super sparkly. Next up, we have a sheet of Glimmer. This is a pearlescent textured cardstock, and the color on this is Frosty Pink. You have Encore Foil in Matte Champagne. This is just a beautiful kind of rose gold color. We have a holographic sheet, our rainbow holographic. It starts off silver. When the light catches it, it turns all colors of the rainbow. We have a sheet of Encore Gray Wood Grain. This has an embossed wood grain texture right in it. We have a sheet of Dotted Swiss. This has those embossed raised dots, and the color on this one is Front Porch. We have a sheet of Card Shop, Basil Card Shop with embossed foil hearts. This is a heavyweight cardstock, but those hearts are just so pretty. And last but not least, we have a sheet of Encore Pastel Rainbow Glitter cardstock. So you can see how fun this kit is. There's just lots of sparkle, lots of pink, super fun. And of course, there is a free bonus class. This month we'll be making a set of favorite things pockets. These are little kind of gift pockets that you can tuck someone's favorite things into. And then the little sentiment tucks in as well. So there's 3 versions. There's a Valentine's version. There's kind of a masculine comic book version. And then we have a pink and green birthday version. So we're going to be making all 3 in this class. And we for sure can't forget about our mystery items this month. This month we've got 3 items that coordinate with the kit, and I think you're going to love them as always. And those are mystery items. You won't know what they are until they arrive on your doorstep, but they do match the kit perfectly, and they're exclusive, so they're one and done. It's something that we do not sell in the shop regularly. All right, that is You're My Fave. Again, you get free US shipping, you get the free class, you get the free mystery items, and you get a perfectly curated box of cardstock ready for creating. Now, this does ship throughout the month of January. So depending on when your subscription falls, you might get it early in January, you may get it later. But it does work well for Valentine's Day, but the colors are perfect for the rest of the seasons as well. If you're a subscriber, this will be headed your way soon. And if not, this is a great month to try out a subscription.